Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a scanner on Thinkorswim. First, navigate to the Scan tab at the top of your platform. From there, choose Stock Hacker to begin building your custom scan. This powerful tool allows you to filter through thousands of stocks to find those that meet your specific trading strategy. We will walk through each step to ensure you can effectively identify potential opportunities. Now, let's customize your scan by adding filters. Click Add Filter to include criteria such as last price, volume, or market capitalization. For instance, you might set a minimum price of $5 and a maximum of $100. You can add as many filters as needed, combining them to narrow down your search to a manageable number of results. This precision helps you focus on relevant opportunities. To enhance your scan, incorporate technical studies. Click Add Study and select from a wide range of indicators, such as the Relative Strength Index or Exponential Moving Average. You can then adjust the study's parameters, for example, changing an EMA from a 9-period to a 20-period. Combining several studies allows for highly specific filtering, helping you pinpoint stocks exhibiting particular technical patterns. Once your filters and studies are set, it's time to save and run your scan. Click the Save Scan button to store your criteria for quick access later. Then, simply click the Scan button to execute your search. The platform will quickly generate a list of stocks that match all your specified conditions. Review these results carefully to identify the best potential trading opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.